Hello lovelies, I'm Jenny and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. So today we are going to be talking about something very special to me because we are going to be talking about Colombia. We are going to be starting a series just like my Japan series that I've been doing. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave the link here somewhere and please go check that out after you watch this video. It is awesome. It's filled with super awesome tips that you need to know before you go to Japan. Now we are going to be doing the Colombian version of it, and we are going to be talking about 5 things that you need to know before you go to Colombia. For those of you who do not know, I am 100% Colombian and I'm super proud of it. It's amazing and I just love being Colombian. It's awesome. So let's get started, but before we do, I see you. Hit that like button if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And do not forget to turn on that little bell notification that tells you exactly when I upload a video so you never miss any of my content. Number 1 thing you need to know before you go to Colombia is that it's a lot more touristy than you think. A lot of people don't think about Colombia, I guess maybe not, y'all let me know, to visit a place of tourism. You know, a lot of people think like Europe, Japan, like, you know, all of that stuff, and I feel like it kind of gets forgotten. But guys, I'm here to tell you that do not sleep on Colombia because it is beautiful and there's a lot of touristic places to go. Is touristic the word? I don't know, but if it isn't, we just made it, okay? Pretty sure it is though. Okay, first off on my list is Cartagena. That is one of the really nice places to go. It's very historical, has a lot of history. They even have a museum talking about the history there, and they have castles with like big forts and stuff because they used to be attacked by a lot of people because of their riches and a lot of treasure that they had there. They were a very prosperous city, and so they got attacked a lot. So they have a big fort with the castle and everything. It's a really cool sight to see. And they even have the cannons like that stick out from the fort. So if you're there, definitely go check that out. Very cool, very historical. And the buildings are so colorful and beautiful. They remind me kind of like New Orleans because, you know, I don't know if y'all seen New Orleans, but the buildings are very colorful, different colors, beautiful. I don't know. So it reminds me of that, and you gotta definitely check that out. Now, Medellin is beautiful as well, but they are really known for their beautiful mountains. They are between 2 long valleys of the Andes Mountains. I've never been there, but my mom has, and she says it is beautiful there, and if you like mountains, go see Medellin. Now, Santa Marta is really pretty too. I'm gonna keep saying that because I just think all these places are super beautiful, but Santa Marta is really known for their beaches. They have crystal clear beaches that you can see your feet when you look down. Like, it is so beautiful, and you can go snorkeling and everything there, and you can see all the little fish and the coral, and it is beautiful. It's a sight to see for sure. So let's talk about the best times to go to Colombia. I'm from Barranquilla, Colombia. So if you ask me, I'll tell you the best time to go is when the carnivals are going on. The carnivals are held in Barranquilla, and I'm so proud of it. Yeah. Start dancing a little bit, little shoulder shake, woo! But anyways, they are around February and March, and it lasts for a week, and that week is just like party central. If you like to party, go there. Music, dancing, costumes, you name it. Like, everybody, not only do they have the parade every day, different parades go on. Not only do they have that, but everybody parties in their front yard. They have lots of big parties that you can get invited to. Everyone just loves that time, and it is like a big week-long party. We even have this joke about the end of the carnivals. We all dress in black and we mourn the end of the carnival, but we say it's like the death of the carnival, but we call the carnival Joselito. This guy represents the carnival dying, and people like dress in black and like mourn the carnival, and it's fun. It's something funny and sad that the carnivals are ending, but we make the most of it. So you just have to see it. Carnivals are the best time to go if you love to party, trust me. Now, if you're more into the holiday, if you want to travel during holidays, then December and New Year's are your best bet. Yes, we celebrate Christmas and everything, and we love it, but New Year's is like the big shebang, okay? New Year's is like really big there. We party so hard. I mean, we can party, guys. We can party, let me tell you. So if you like partying, go over there. And it's just a huge party. Everybody gets together. And sometimes they have like events where last year we went as a whole family group, and my husband loved it. He's gonna be coming on here in a little bit so he can tell y'all all about what his experience was like in Colombia for the first time and kind of give you the ins and outs. But anyways, he loved it. We went to this party because we were staying at cabins on the beach, and they had like the company that owns the cabins, I guess, they had a big huge party, and I don't remember how much we paid, but we paid to sit as a group in our family, and it was like super long table, and they gave us food and wine to do the cheers, brindis at the end of the night, and it was so fun. And you got to dance, and they had like a whole dance floor and lights going everywhere. And at 12, when the clock strikes midnight, oh, everybody just goes crazy and like hugs everybody, and it's just one big huge awesome party. So if you like holidays, go during December or January to experience that huge New Year's celebration. Also, not to mention, in December and January it is a lot cooler, so it will, I mean, it's so gonna be hot. Like, come on, we're like basically on the equator. Are we on the equator? I really don't know. I'm bad at geography, but that's beside the point. It does get hot, guys. So if you're going like in the summer, be prepared to be hot. But if you go during December and January, it will be a lot more tame. And especially at night, there's like this nice breeze that comes along because we're by the ocean, or at least in Barranquilla we're by the ocean. But yes, in December it does get cooler. Now we're moving on to transportation. Now there are gonna be taxi cabs that you can like stop on the street, right? You know, just like do a little hand. So you can do that, and as a foreigner, I would probably use InDriver more, because InDriver is like Uber, basically, and it's a really easy app to use. It's basically like Uber those, and you know how much you're paying already. Sometimes when you just stop it on the side of the road, you know, if they see that you're not from there, maybe they'll charge you more. Maybe some people are honest, some people aren't. That just happens for tourists anywhere you go around the world, right? I mean, you don't know how much you need to be charged to go this place to that place, so they might like up it, you know? But not to say it will happen, but I'm just saying InDriver is probably your best bet. I'm talking with my hands a lot today. Let's go. Quick break, guys. If you haven't liked the video already, hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed already, I see you. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that little notification bell that tells you exactly when I upload a video so you never miss any of my content. And we're back. Now let's talk about money. All right, guys, what everybody loves to talk about, money. And we're really gonna like to talk about this because let me tell you guys right now, the peso is at 3,000 pesos, and that means that $1 equals 3 pesos. You do the math, okay? Your money lasts longer there, okay? It's amazing that it does that. I love the fact that it does that because over here in the US, me, my husband, and my son, when we go out to eat, we'll like easily spend like $100 to go out to eat, right? And over there, we can take like a whole group out to eat for the price of what our family goes out to eat with. So just think about that, okay? And the food is such high quality, so amazing, but I'm not gonna touch on that yet because you need to stay tuned to the next episode in this series to talk about food. Okay, so back to the money. It is so awesome. Your money lasts over there. Everything feels like it's cheaper, but you're paying for good quality stuff, but it's just cheaper because $1, 3 pesos, you can't beat that. Also, before I forget, always carry cash too. Don't carry like a ton of cash, but you know, just about probably $100. So $100 worth, and that should be fine, just in case you see some good street food. Again, I'm not going to talk about it till next time in the next episode about food, but you gotta try it, and just carry cash in case you need something like that. Okay guys, what y'all have all been waiting for, I'm assuming, right? Is Colombia safe? Is Colombia safe? You say, Jenny, is Colombia safe? I'm going to tell you yes. And there's a big misconception about the cartel. I am going to tell you right now, that was a very long time ago, and it's not like that anymore, guys. It really isn't. You don't need to be scared to go out as a tourist. Like, I mean, right now, when we went to Colombia just this past December, me and my husband and my family, we saw a whole bunch of like tourists from all over the world just backpacking through Colombia. It's safe, guys. You don't need to worry. A lot of people, like I said, have a misconception about it. It is not like that, guys. People barely even smoke cigarettes over there. Like, so the drug part that y'all talk about, or like the Hollywood productions glorify, it's not really like that. Pablo Escobar was a long time ago. I'm funny, and when people find out I'm from Colombia, they're like, oh, you know Pablo Escobar? I'm like, yeah, he was my cousin. Don't mess with me. I'm just kidding, but I'm serious. Like, guys, like, it's fine. That was a long time ago. I know I'm repeating myself. That was a long time ago. You don't need to be scared. You'll be good. Don't make that stop you. Don't let that stereotype of Colombians stop you from going. Just stick to the touristy places and you will be just fine. You really don't need to worry. You should feel safe, and if you need help, the locals will try to talk to you. They will try to speak English. Almost everybody knows like a little bit of English, and they say, I know English, I know English. So everybody knows English pretty much. Of course, there are people who don't. Kind of like Japan, but if they don't know it, they will try to help you. So yeah, guys, that's it for that. I'm gonna have my husband come on here now and tell you exactly what he thinks of Colombia and his first time there and first time being in Colombia thoughts. So let me go get him real quick.
What's up?
Hey, baby.
What's up?
Okay, guys, he's here, and he's going to give you his thoughts on his experience the first time we went to Colombia. What did you think?
I thought it was an awesome country. I've lived in Japan, so it kind of helped with like the transition. Like, going to another country is really like kind of crazy, because like very little places around the world are like America. It's amazing, and you know, the people are really nice. Much like Japan, you know, they're always trying to help. They'll work with you as long as you'll work with them when it comes to like the language. Like, they'll try to understand as much English as possible as long as you try to understand as much Spanish, you know.
Oh yeah, and they're definitely like, let me practice my English with you.
Yeah, like they're definitely like very helpful. Really, you know, I hear a lot of stuff like, oh, drug lords, gangs, and it really wasn't like that at all, to be honest. I went to Cartagena and Barranquilla and Santa Marta. And all those places are very touristy places. I felt very safe the whole time. I know that's like a lot of concern with people. I never felt unsafe. I always felt safe and never felt like I was in danger or anything.
Yeah, you even went to like, when I was in the salon, right? You like walked and went to like a little food bar.
Me and my American self, you know, did my own thing. And I actually like dropped about 50 mil, which is about like, let's say 20 to 18 bucks worth. And I actually dropped that in that food bar, and the lady was like, hey, like, isn't this yours? And I was like, yo, thank you so much. So like, they're definitely like not out to get you, not trying to, you know, mess with Americans. Like, they're just very kind people. You know, stay street smart. Don't just, you know, act like, oh, I'm on vacation, let me do whatever. But I mean, like, it's, I think, as safe as any big American city.
Oh, what do you have in your head?
Oh, if I had this all the time.
Oh.
Looks like some poop. Alright, ask me that question again.
Okay, I asked you what you thought. Like,
Hold on, run it back. I made
what
a
was the
face.
thing that? What was your favorite part of Colombia, and what was your favorite city that you visited? Hold on. First, say what was your favorite city, and then what your favorite part of Colombia was.
Favorite city had to be Barranquilla, your hometown. Had nothing to do with you. But real talk,
He's not biased.
it's a more authentic experience. Cartagena is very, very touristy, and I feel like you lose a lot of authenticity when it comes to that. So Barranquilla is very authentic, and you see a lot of how Colombia really is, especially when it comes to the food. So I think that made that the best city for me. And then you asked me what my favorite thing in general was. Had to be the food. I'm a foodie, y'all. I love food. We're doing a video.
Patty, just like
We're
me.
doing a video on that coming up soon, sometime. I don't know when, but it's coming. And yeah, it had to be the food. I just love food, and Colombian food is just amazing. You'll try stuff you never thought you were gonna try.
So it's like, babe, cook
And
Colombian food.
Yeah, she makes really good Colombian food. Her mother makes really good Colombian food. And really go to Barranquilla, or just kind of get, like, I loved Cartagena, don't get me wrong. I know she talked about it in this video. I love it. But it's just very, very touristy, very, very commercial. Try to find, you know, like Barranquilla or even Santa Marta. It was just a lot more authentic of an experience. Got great food at Santa Marta too. So yeah, it's just more of an authentic experience, and you get to, there's a lot more beautiful places there, a lot better, more authentic food, and it's just a better experience for me. Cartagena is great.
It's a lot of tourists.
Probably
yeah.
what you would say is the most popular city on the coast.
Oh yeah.
So it's like the most popular city on the coast.
It's very historical, like I said too. And you remember the castle? Did you like the castle?
Yeah, no, the castle was cool. You know,
Yeah.
go see all the stuff there. But I just wouldn't spend all your time there. You know, venture out. There's a lot to be seen. A lot of amazing beach spots. A lot of amazing food spots. So yeah, venture out. Venture out. There's a lot to see. A lot to do.
Mm-hmm.
A lot to eat.
But yeah, guys, I mean, I didn't take him to like so many beaches last time, but this time when we go, when all this craziness is over, I'm gonna take you to like to the hidden gems.
I kept asking. I want to go to La Playa, La Playa. I think they was lying to me. They was like, there's no good beaches in Barranquilla. There's no good beaches in Barranquilla. And then we get home, and she's reading me an article about like the top 10 best beaches in Barranquilla. I'm like, there's 10 of them?
It's
If there's 10 of them, there's got to be one good one.
So Barranquilla are like the beaches that, I mean, if you've been to Corpus Christi, Galveston and all that, they're pretty much like that. But I'm saying they're not as good because like Cartagena and Santa Marta has like crystal clear, you can see your feet through the water, like beaches, so.
It's all good. It was a great time though. Go. If she can't convince you, let me convince you. Go.
Okay, thanks babe.
Alright, I need to go check on that meat. Let me get kids from my Colombian queen.
Love you. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If I convinced you to go to Colombia, please put it in the comments below because I just love my country and I feel like everybody should experience it at least once, and my husband loved it as well. You had two opinions about it, someone who is not from there and someone who is from there. So if you can, check it out. It's a beautiful country, lot to offer. Yeah guys, I had so much fun doing this too. I love going back and talking about my country, and I can't wait for all this craziness to go away so I can go back. So yeah guys, this was awesome. Thank you so much guys, and don't forget to check out my other videos. If you haven't liked this video already, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I see you. Hit that subscribe button, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I upload a video so you never miss any of my content. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Y'all are amazing, and I hope y'all have the best day ever. Bye!